Hi, hello. Welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So now we are going to see on our own product, that is a 6-digit counter. It is a digital counter that we are designing. This is our own design, designed by Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. So this is the manual we are giving along with this kit. Okay. So this counter is used for to count the number of sensor inputs, to count the number of sensor values. That is, from the proximity you can count up to the whatever maybe the readings you record according to the applications like textiles, motor counting applications. So based on that we can use it accordingly. So this is the complete demo. There we are having a LCD in that particular device. You can set according to your requirements. So here we are connected on lamp load based on relay we have. This is a single channel we using this relay output. So we have connected this with one lamp load. Here we are having the input and ground from the proximity. So basically the sensor input on the ground. So the power supply, it is came from an external adapter. You can give up to 5 volt to 30 volt DC. Okay. So there is input that is output of the sensor, input of the sensor and the ground. Okay. And this NO and C common, you can connect NO and common to the lamp load. Okay. So this is the basic. This we are having a LCD display 16x2 we have used, and the input power supply in the side we are using 9 bar 12 volt input. Either you can use 9 volt or 12 volt 1 amps power input should be given. So this basically will having 4 membrane keypad switch, up, down, mode and start. Okay. Now we can showing you the demo of how to set this count first, and we can doing the real time how to test with this proximity. Here we are connected on proximity sensor, that is NPN. For the demo purpose you can use either NPN or PNP sensor according to your applications. Okay. So up, down, mode and start button. For settings you can press for mode, it go to the mode settings. Suppose we need to increase the count to 30, you can increase up button to make 30. Okay. And you can press start button. That time if you are setting 30, the relay is getting on or off. I want to relay on. Okay. Now we can go to the primary setting. So after setting you can go to main menu and press mode button. Okay. So this is why we can set the counter readings. Okay. Now we can test this. Now the set value will be 30, count will be 0, and the relay is in off conditions. Okay. Now we in this proximity we have connected on there is an inbuilt LED. Once we are giving the signal, this is the metal piece that we will detect the sensor. So we can check, once we are giving the signal, the count is getting incremented. Once it reaches 30, the relay is turned on and the load is on. Okay. Okay. Count is gradually increasing. For increasing the counting, it can goes 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. The counts remains continuous. Okay. And the relay is turned on at the particular condition. So if you want to turn off the relay, you can hold and press for start button for 5 seconds. Okay. 5 seconds you can hold, and the count is become 0 and the relay is turned off. Now one more time I am showing the demo. See, suppose if we are in the count we are decreasing up to 25. Okay. Okay, 25. Let let's press start button. Okay, now we are increasing the proximity count. Okay, 25 reached, the relay is turned on. Okay, press for 5 seconds, count will be in the 0 position. Okay, so you can use, this is a 6-digit counter, you can set up to 6-digit variable. Okay, so if you want to customize this to a 2 output 3 output, you can contact us, we can provide you the solutions accordingly, because this is our own model that we are designed and we are launching this product to the market. Okay, so if you want this, kindly contact us, inquiry us, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions, Coimbatore. Thank you, thanks for watching.